Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up Steam Link with your Android device and computer. So what you want to do first is just get the app. The app is actually on the Play Store and it's free right now. It's called Steam Link and it's in beta. I think this app's only like maybe a few days to a week old, so it's literally brand new. But all you want to do is you want to go ahead and install it. So it's about a 30 megabyte file, so it will take seconds to install. Right guys, so once it's installed you can just go ahead and open it. I'm just going to find mine right here. So yours might look a tiny bit different from what mine does now. That is because I've already been using this app, but basically guys, it's very simple. You've got computer, so that's the computer you connect to. You've got controller, so that's how you set up the controller, and then you've got streaming. So if I just go in streaming right now, this is basically just the streaming quality, so fast, balanced. I'd keep it on balanced probably. You've got advanced settings in here and also network test. So in advanced settings, you guys can configure stuff in here. I'm just going to leave it how it is. So now if we go into controller, this is where you can add a controller. So you can go to pair controller right here. You can pair a Steam controller or a different controller. Because I've got an LG phone right here and for some reason I can't pair my PS4 controller. But if you guys have a controller that you know you can pair to your Android device, then you can definitely use it with this. So I'm just going to go back. So what I want to do now is go onto computer. So all you want to do is just tap this one right here. It's then going to come up with no computers found. So I'm going to head over to my PC and I'll show you guys how to get this working. Okay guys, so when you're on your computer and you want to set Steam Link up, all you have to do guys, this is really simple, just go ahead and open up Steam. Now once Steam is running, it will be discoverable on your phone, so you can now go ahead and look back on your phone and you can now control your whole computer just using your Android device. Okay, so Steam is now running on my computer, so on the app all you want to do is just click rescan. Then just going to scan your network again and look for a computer that is running Steam. Here is my computer, James PC. Then you can just go back and back again, and now you can just click start playing. So you can use touch controls, you can pause the video and look at these if you want to. I'm just going to click continue. It's now going to connect. And here it is guys, so it starts off in big picture mode. Basically, I don't really like this to be honest, so I just like to go ahead and exit out of it. There you go, now we're on the normal Steam desktop. We can control this with our mouse and keyboard and everything like that. So we can go ahead and launch our Steam games from the library. It's just basically mirroring your computer's screen right now. You can even just back out to the desktop and just use this as like a normal mirroring device because it actually works really well and the touch controls work really well as well. So now I'm just going to show you guys some Counter-Strike Global Offensive gameplay and maybe some other games as well. So I've just tried to improve the lighting a bit. Now I'm just going to be playing some Counter-Strike Global Offensive gameplay. Oh, I'm so bad at this game, I haven't played this in so long. But as you can see guys, it's pretty good. Sometimes you can notice like a small graphics glitch on the screen. I'm not too sure what that is, but you know, it's definitely playable. If you haven't got a monitor or you're away from your computer, this is definitely a really good option for playing your Steam games. Yeah guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. So the Steam Link is actually a really good way of playing Steam games on your Android device. Unfortunately, this doesn't work on iPhones because Apple did not want to collaborate with Steam. Just a few more things guys, the sound will be played for your phone while you're connected, and your phone and your PC must be connected to the same internet connection for this to work. But that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.